So men, we really have a much more hair loss problem than women because we don't have the power women have. They give birth, they're naturally equipped much differently than us physically. Try our scalp massager. It's all rubber, and I highly recommend it. We need blood and air into our hairline, all through the top of the scalp, sides, the back. Just go ahead and massage. I massage my face, my neck, my shoulders to get blood and air. But we need to get a lot of blood and air circulation in there. We're too stressed today with technology right in here. So this helps break that up. And it's all rubber. It's not plastic, it's not vinyl. It's the only all rubber hair scalp massager in the world. I also recommend for men really using our brush. So there's videos on how to brush your hair, why to brush our hair. Basically is to get the excess sebum out of the back, coming to the front. You fill the brush up with your own oil and you brush straight back. We have lots of videos on this. And of course, I encourage you to alternate our 5 shampoos. Whatever you're using, stop it for at least 30 days to see a major difference and alternate. So this is our sample pack. Very inexpensive, very reasonable. And we have the same thing with the conditioners, 5 in a sample pack. Try them, alternate them, see which ones work for you, and you'll see a great improvement with your hair. For men, for hair loss and hair thinning, I really recommend our styling gel, Blood of the Dragon. It's 100% natural. I'm looking at like 13, 15, 17-year-old boys, looking at men 20, 30, 40 with major hair loss. And it's coming mostly from styling products. So if you really check out your styling products, you're going to see the ingredients are all petroleum. They're all plastic. They're not natural. So you really want to check out what you're using for styling products and check out our styling, all natural Blood of the Dragon. Try it for 30 days. You'll see a major change. Because that's like plugging up the scalp so the scalp can't breathe. Then all of this plastic is going down into our growth patterns, plugging up our natural sebum. This is number 1 for hair loss and hair thinning with young men, middle-aged men. Really stop using all these chemical styling products. They are definitely guaranteed hair loss. Our health is our wealth. Lots of videos. I keep encouraging everyone to do that because we're an educational system on hair loss, hair thinning, and how to prevent and bring it back naturally.